Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for particular plants on the PictureThis application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And now tap on the search bar at the top of the screen in order to type in the name of the plant that you are searching for. Click on the result, and here you are going to see several pictures of that particular flower and other specs such as conditions, requirement, care guide, frequently asked questions about the particular plant that you have searched for, as well as description about the flower, the story of its name, characteristics, scientific classification, uses, and so on. If you want to save this plant to the My Garden section, tap on this Save to My Garden button down below. As you can see, this item has been added to that section, so you are ready to look it up anytime. And you can also set reminders according to watering and in terms of watering and fertilizing your plant. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.